Good morning everyone. Standard 9th Maths chapter 3. You can see a figure on the board. I have drawn two perpendicular lines YYZ and XXZ. The plane could be considered as a coordinate plane. The position of a point is located on a plane by drawing two lines mutually perpendicular to each other. The plane is called a Cartesian plane or a coordinate plane. Can you see? Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. The horizontal line is called x-axis. Can you see x-axis? Okay. And the vertical line is called y-axis, and the meeting point is called origin, and the coordinates are 0, 0. Now it has been divided into four parts called first quadrant. What it is called? First quadrant, where both the coordinates are positive. X and y are positive. X coordinate of a point is called abscissa and y coordinate is called ordinate, and the coordinates of origin are 0, 0. Can you see? Now let us come to the second quadrant. Second quadrant, x negative, y positive. Third quadrant, both are negative. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. The picture is clear, everyone? Now let us learn how to plot the points. The first example I have taken point A corresponding to 0, 1. 0 corresponds to x, y to 1. Okay, let us start. Now where is 0? 0 is here, and y. So A corresponds to 0, 1. So it lies on y-axis. Okay. B, 2, 3. Where is your 2? 2 means this you have to take, and 3 of y-axis. So B, 2, 3. Okay. C, minus 1, 0. Minus 1 on x-axis, 0. So it lies on x-axis. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 of x-axis, minus 2 of y-axis. Last point, minus 1, 4. So minus 1 of is x coordinate, y is 4. So where is minus 1? Minus 1 and 4. Okay, so you plot the point. From this we come to know to which quadrant they belong. Now let us come to question number 1. Exercise 3.1. Very easy. How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table? Okay, to another person. I have drawn a picture. Can you see? Ray OX, ray OY. You have placed the table lamp there, and how you will explain that I will let you know. To describe the position of a table lamp placed on the table, let us consider the table lamp as P and the table as a plane. Clear? Now choose two perpendicular edge of the table as the axis OX and OY. Can you see? OX and OY. Measure the perpendicular distance A centimeter of the lamp from OY. Measure the perpendicular distance B centimeter of lamp from OX. Thus, the position of the table lamp P is described by the ordered pair AB. Is it clear? Now we go to question number 2. I have drawn a graph. You have to draw in the notebook. I will read the question first. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. How many cross streets can be referred to as 4-3? 4-3. And second, how many cross streets can be referred to as 3-4? So, according to the graph, the answer is a unique cross section as shown. A unique cross streets. A unique cross streets as shown by point A 4-3. Okay. Unique cross streets as shown by point B is 3 and 4. Now you will draw x-axis and y-axis. West, east, north, south. 0 origin. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also mark the points. And we find out point A and point B. Exercise 3.2. Write the answer of each of the following questions. What is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Answer number 1 is the horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis. Is it clear? Once again, horizontal line is x-axis, vertical line is y-axis. Now we go to question number 2. Please write the answer. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? So answer is, each part is called a quadrant. Clear? Quadrant. What is the name of the point where these two lines intersect? Intersect means meet. This point is called origin. Question number 2. See the figure 3.14 and write the following. The coordinates of B. Please see the figure. It's very easy. The coordinates of B are -5, 2. -5, 2. Coordinates of C are, check the figure, where is C? 5 -5. 5 -5, okay? Point G is identified by coordinates 2 -4. Please write the answer. The abscissa of the point D is 6. The ordinate of the point H is -3. The coordinates of the point L are 0, 5. The coordinates of the point M are -3, 0. Exercise 3.3. Very easy. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points lie? Okay. -2, 4. X is negative, Y is positive. So it lies in second quadrant. Please write the answer. Second. 3 -1. X is positive, Y is negative. So it lies in fourth quadrant. -1, 0. -1, 0. So now tell me. The point -1, 0 lies on the negative x-axis. 1, 2, both are positive, so it lies in the first quadrant. -3, -5 lies in the, both are negative, so lies in the third quadrant. And you have to draw the graph also. Mark the points. You can see in the graph I have marked the points this way. Please draw it. Draw x-axis, y-axis and mark the points. Okay. Plot the points x, y in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. X and y are given. So first ordered pair will be -2 8, second -1 7, 0 -1.25, third will be 1 3, fourth will be 3 1. So you will draw x axis and y axis on the graph paper. Now let us start. The first point is -2 8. Can you see -2 on x axis and 8 of y? So A, write down -2 8. Second is -1 and 7, B. Can you see B? Now come to C, 0 -1.25. D is 1 3. Okay, and E is 3 -1. Please repeat it again. Thank you.